So that's per usual around here in Oklahoma. This wasn't in the forecast. We got a nice storm. Hopefully we get some rain, cool it off a little bit around here. But of course, nervous butt here. He don't like the thunder. The other dogs don't care, but got a nice storm coming. But I think it's gonna go around us because you look over here. I looked at the radar a minute ago and it's showing it going around us. Look at blue sky over there. But yeah, it's typical Oklahoma. Gotta love it. I don't know where else. Pretty cool lightning.